Brian, do you want to get a shot in the cockpit?
Do you want to go to the cockpit? Of course.
Yeah, go up to the cockpit.
Thank you, sir. I just couldn't figure out what to pack for 9 days in Israel. Holy land! Ooh, I can taste the hummus already! So today we're going to Israel. Super excited about that, but I'm also excited to fly United Polaris, real Polaris, on the new 787-10. I've only ever flown Polaris once, and it was on a media flight when they launched it, so it wasn't like a real Polaris flight. 2 cents per United mile, and then 5 cents for the Premier Accelerator. I'm half tempted to buy, but I have enough miles, as you guys saw.
I like this hoodie blazer.
You like it?
Yeah.
Gotta keep you on my toes with my fashion choices. I look like a big bumblebee that's about to buzz all the way to Tel Aviv. So today we're flying Newark, Tel Aviv. There are actually 2 flights a day, one around 5 p.m., one around 10:30. Normally I would take the later flight because it's easier to sleep, but today I want to experience Polaris. This plane is 5 weeks old, so it's gonna have the new plane smell. It's got a list price of a cool $300 million. The later flight's on a 777, which is also nice and has a new Polaris, but I find 777s to be louder. The 787 is a smooth ride, better for jet lag, better air quality, so I am really excited to fly. And on the way home, we are flying El Al. It's gonna be a little bit of a different, older plane than what we have today, but it should still be iconic. Which way do you think I'm gonna board today? Always turn left. Hi there.
Hey, all right.
So when flying United Polaris, at your seats, you will find Saks Fifth Avenue blanket. Probably my favorite thing is the gel pillow. I am a pillow fiend. I like having options, and this one is awesome. You can also request pajamas, a mattress pad, and slippers, so never hurts to ask, always request. I'm now sitting in row 11. The odd-numbered rows are great for traveling with a companion. I'm on my trip today with my boyfriend George, so this will come down and we can enjoy 11 hours together. The even-numbered rows are much more separate, so you wouldn't want to use this row if you're traveling with someone. It's much harder to look over. If you're traveling solo, you definitely want to be in an odd-numbered row in the window because it's flush against the window instead of the aisle. If you're laying out, you're very much exposed, whereas the odd-numbered seats are tucked away. The best seat would be the first row because it has a large bulkhead and it's against the wall. This is my first time flying on the 787-10 on United and in True Polaris long haul, so hopefully I fit. Time will tell.
Brian, do you want to get a shot in the cockpit?
Oh yeah, that would be amazing.
Yeah, come on up.
Do you want to go to the cockpit? Of course.
Yeah, go up to the cockpit.
Freedom. Yeah, I'm Brian.
Hi, Brian. Nice to meet you.
I looked up, this plane's 5 weeks old, or United's had it for 5 weeks.
Right.
So it's like,
Would you like to sit up here, or I mean?
you guys fly the 787 8s, 9s, and 10s?
Yes.
Is the 10 the best?
It's the biggest.
They're
Yeah.
all the same. This one is the newest. It's the same exact wing. The thrust on the engines is just slightly different.
Yeah.
So the bigger airplane's 76,000, the Dash 10's 75,000, and the Dash
think we're
8's
gonna-
71,000.
You think it's going to be a smooth ride to Tel Aviv tonight?
It should be pretty smooth, yeah.
Yeah. So you guys have a third?
The 3 on this, on the longer flights that are over 12
Yeah.
hours, there's 4.
Oh, wow.
So-
And then is your crew rest here?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh,
I should
that's
show it
awesome.
to you.
Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Oh, wow. This is the real life flatbeds. Would you look at that? How many miles to sit up here? That's awesome. Well, thank you again.
Hey, enjoy the flight.
That's awesome. Thank
I'm
you
so
very
glad
much.
you got to
Yes.
see that, right?
Today, I used 180,000 chase miles and $5.60. The Sabre level 75,000 miles, but this November 15th, United's getting rid of award charts, so it's probably going to go up. But redeeming through Life Miles, which is a transfer partner of Amex, Capital One, would be the best bet at 78,000 miles, one way for business class. Normally I would leave this up because I don't really like talking to people on planes, but today I'd like to introduce you to my boyfriend George. He's shy, so I'm gonna. Do you think I'm gonna be an annoying seatmate?
No.
Wrong answer. here. Today for menu we've got buffalo mozzarella or a salad, beef short rib in a morel sauce, grits, green beans, veggies, spicy chicken Thai style, or ricotta salata with wild honey manicotti. Ricotta salata and wild honey manicotti. It's got a ring to it, but I'm not gonna get that. Storage wise, we've got our amenity kit. Kind of flimsy noise canceling. That's somewhere where I definitely think United can up the game, especially, you know, in American you get the Bose. Love me some Bose, but I always bring my own. Sunday not the most glamorous case, but product-wise pretty good. This is a healthy pour. I hate it when you get like a little thimble. It's starting off good, United. I present you evidence when the captain knows you're an aviation geek. This is the coolest gift I've ever received in my life. 9 hours, 41. Right over France, Greece, and into Tel Aviv. It'll be here before we know it. And look, this is a feature I love. I don't know why new aircraft don't have it, is air vents. Oh. Sometimes you just need that Beyonce blow. They're much nicer fit than the American Airlines ones, I have to say. Dressing is delicious. It looks like a bland salad, but the dressing really spikes up the taste level. Delicious, flavorful, juicy chicken. Highly recommend. Once again, everyone on Instagram was like, try the spicy chicken, you won't regret it. And once again, y'all are right. Now I'm gonna try the short rib. Can I? Of course. I'm the most annoying seatmate ever. Not as good as the chicken.
Wait, what's that?
Oldest trick in the book.
Ooh, that's good.
It's good.
For desserts, we have apple tart, lemon cheesecake, caramel chocolate covered pretzel. Yeah. We also have ice cream sundae, and we also have cheese crackers and lemon cheese.
A sundae with a little bit of everything.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
That looks better than mine.
You've done this before. This is masterfully made. Oh, that's cool. Highly recommend the spicy chicken, although the short rib was not bad. Sundays. Ice cream was good, not too rock solid. Biggest disappointment, wines, I would say. Thank you. 2 Rieslings and a very buttery Chardonnay. Not my cup of tea, but the Lanson champagne is good enough. I'm gonna drink, watch some TV, and probably snooze soon. I'm tired. So far, so good. Let's see if I fit. 3 ups, 3 downs for United Polaris. Newark, Tel Aviv. Ups, the Polaris Lounge. Stunning, beautiful. Leader of the pack when it comes to business class domestic lounges. Blows away Delta and American. United leads there. Love it. Kind of want to go back. Number 2, crew. United crew were awesome. I think when airlines have nice products, they're proud of it. Everyone in the lounge was awesome, recommending cocktails, and we noticed not just because we were there filming, they were doing it to everyone. The other thing I would say that I liked was the fast Wi-Fi on the plane for the entire flight. $21 for the whole flight, and it worked. Downs, I would say the seats are a little narrow for me. It's a cramped space and there's not a whole lot of storage room. Number 2 would be the expense of the tickets. $180,000 is pretty much the standard for that one way. I wish they would have more saver availability, and plus United is getting rid of that come November, so that's a bummer. The final down would be the wine selection. It was 2 Rieslings and a really buttery Chardonnay. The Lanson champagne was fine, but nothing too crazy. But overall, food was good. I wouldn't say amazing, and it was a perfect way to get to Israel. Overall, I love my United Polaris experience, and I would not hesitate to fly them again.